line through
minus 2 comma 6
and 4 comma 8
is perpendicular to line
is perpendicular to line
through 8 comma 12
through 8 comma 12
and 4 comma 24
and 4 comma
24
बहुत बढ़िया. That's good. Right. So now we get M1 is equal to this we have taken 2, this we have taken 1. So y2 8 minus 6 upon 4 minus 2. How much you get? 2 upon 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So it is how much? 2 by 6. It becomes 1 upon 3. Right? So next, this we take 4, this we take 3. So M2 is equal to 24 minus 12 upon 4 minus 8. Is it? 4 minus 8, 24 minus 12. So it becomes 12 upon minus 4. So it becomes minus 4. If we divide both sides by minus 4, so it is 1 and it is minus 3. So it is minus 3. Right? Now when lines are perpendicular to each other, when lines are perpendicular to each other, then M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Right? So here, therefore 1 upon 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Right? As slopes of given line lines obeys relation m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So given lines are perpendicular. Ready? What you done? Did you write down this note?
Last one.
This one you wrote? Done? Next. Oh. Which question you have? Right? No 20? You have done 22, na?
20. Find the equation of the perpendicular.
Question number
20.
Question number 20. Yeah?
Find the equation of perpendicular from the point.
Find equation of perpendicular from
The point 1 comma minus 2.
from the point 1 comma minus 2
On the line 4x minus
on the line
4x minus 3y
on the line 4x minus 3y
minus
again on the line 4x minus
3y
3y
minus 5.
minus 5 is equal to 0. Right?
Also find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular.
Foot of the perpendicular. Okay. Also find foot also find coordinates of foot of perpendicular. Fine. So first, suppose this is the this is a line which is following the equation 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation, right? This is the equation, right? And perpendicular to this, there is a line whose equation we have to find out, and the points are 1 comma minus 2. Fine, right? So how you get the slope of this line? That is, you bring this y, 3y on the other side of equal. So you can write 4x minus 5 is equal to 3y. Or you can write 3y is equal to 4x minus 5, or you can write y is equal to 1/3 bracket 4x minus 5, right? Or you can write y is equal to 4/3x minus 5/3. Is it? So slope of this line is, say this is line 1, so its slope m1 is equal to 4/3, right? This is line L2 and it is given L1 is perpendicular to L2. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So it is 4/3 into m2 is equal to -1. So we can write m2 is equal to -3/4. So y minus -2 is equal to m2 minus 3/4 bracket x minus 1. So you get 4y plus 8 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Will you get this? So we can write 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y minus 8 plus 3 becomes -5. So finally you get the equation 3x minus 4y, right, plus 5, plus 5 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. Okay. Now what you get here? Y is equal to this much. This equation is correct?
So 3x plus 12.
And this minus 3x we bring on this side. Yeah, so that's why this becomes plus. And this minus 8 comes on this side, so it becomes minus 8 plus 3 becomes minus 5. So it becomes 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, right? What do you do now? This much is, now this is correct, na? I made a mistake in just interchanging the position. Since this minus 3x is coming here, y is already positive, so it will remains in positive sign. Right, okay, now we will going to rub this, right? So by solving the equations simultaneously, so what happens? 4x minus 3y is equal to 5, or 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 5, right? How do you do that? What do you do with these equations to get? Yeah, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. We multiplied it by 4 and we multiplied it by 3. So we will get how much? 16x minus 12y is equal to 20, and 3 times 3 becomes 9x plus 12y is equal to minus 15, right? So this is equation 3, this is equation 4. On adding, what happens? The plus 12 minus 12 cancel out. 25x is equal to
5.
Alright,
5.
sure. We get 5. So x is equal to 5 by 25. It becomes 1 upon 5. So x is equal to 1 upon 5. What is your answer? Good. Now put value, substitute value of x in equation 1. So it is 4 upon 5 minus 3y is equal to 5. इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं, राइट? सो ये हो जाएगा 4 by 5 minus 5 is equal to 3y. Getting? So we take 1 here, so you get 5. So 4 minus 25, yeah, 4 minus 25 is equal to 3 by 3y. Hello. So we get minus 21 upon 5 is equal to 3y. So this is 1 time, this is 7 time. So y is equal to minus 7 by 5. You get it? ठीक है? So coordinates of foot are 1 by 5, comma minus 7 upon 5. Is it correct? This is okay. So question number 20 we have done. We come to question number 18. Question number 18. Get it? What is question number 18?
Find the equation of line parallel to
Equation of line parallel to
2x plus y minus 7.
2x minus 5.
2x plus y
2x
plus y minus 7.
2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Great. What?
Passing through the point of intersection of the line.
Passing through point of
Intersection.
intersection
Of the line.
passing when they are parallel to how they will intersect. Passing through the point of intersection of
X plus 4 minus x plus y minus 4
x
plus y minus 4.
x plus
Y minus 4.
x plus y minus x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0.
And 2x minus y is equal to 8.
And 2x
Minus y is equal to 8.
minus y is equal to. Okay, great. This is the condition. Line is parallel to this. Okay. So we take, this is the Cartesian plane, suppose, right? This is y-axis, this is x-axis, great. Now there is a line, this is a line, This is a line, right? This is the line which is 2x plus y is equal to 7. And there is a line like this. There is a line like this, that is x plus y is equal to 4, and another line like this. These are all hypothetical, right? Not on a scale. It is just presumption. This is the line. 2x minus y is equal to 8, right? So the another line which is parallel to this, the line which is parallel to this is passing to intersection point of all this. This is line 1, this is line 1, this is line 2. They are parallel to each other, right? And this is passing through the intersecting point, the common point, passing through this line 2 passing through common point, line 2 passing through common point, of lines L3 and L4. This we say L3, this we say L4, right? So what will be the common point between these two? So you can write x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 8, right? So this is equation 3, this is equation 4. On adding this is cancel out, you get 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 4. You get x is equal to 4, right? Now substitute value of x in equation 3. So it is 4 plus 4 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. तो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो गए? 4, 0. Now if we get the slope of this line, so y is equal, equation is given as 2x plus y is equal to 7. So we can write y is equal to minus 2x plus 7, right? So m1 is equal to minus 2. Line L1 is parallel to L2, so m1 is equal to m2 is equal to minus 2, right? Now y minus 0 is equal to minus 2 bracket x minus 4. Hello, this, so it is y minus 0 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So we can write 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this is the equation of line, right? So equation of line L2, equation of line L2 is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Is it correct?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
This is an important question. This type of question can be asked because interpretation need lot of efforts, right? So this was question number 18. Huh? Okay. So what next you have? Huh? 16. What is 16? Later?
Yes.
What is 16?
Find the equation of the straight line.
Question number
16.
16. What is?
Find the equation of the straight line.
Find equation of
Straight line.
straight line
Passing through
passing through
intersection
intersection
of 2x plus 5y
intersection
of 2x plus 5y
of 2x plus 5y
minus 4 is equal to 0
minus 4 is equal to 0
with x-axis.
with x-axis
And parallel to line
and
parallel to the line
parallel to line
3x minus 7y
3x minus
7y
7y
plus 8
huh?
plus 8.
Plus 8 is equal to 0. This is. Oh. How you do this? Again, you draw a Cartesian plane here. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Right? This is x-axis. Okay. Find the equation of line passing through the intersection of an x-axis. So there is a line like this. This is the line which is passing through. This is its coordinates. It is x comma 0, y is 0, right? And its equation is 2x 2x plus 5y is equal to 4, right? It is intersecting here. If you put these values here, so y is equal to 0, right? As y is equal to 0, so ये हो गया तुम्हारा ये this whole turns to be 0, right? So x is equal to 4 by 2 becomes 2. So it is 2 comma 0. Its coordinates of point is 2 comma 0, right? Now you have a line. You have a line. You have a line. This is. Its equation is 3x minus 7y plus 8. So you can is equal to 0. So you can write 3x plus 8 is equal to 7y. Yeah, y is equal to 3 upon 7x plus 8 upon 7. This is line L1. So M1, right? And there is a line intersecting. There is a line passing through this point of intersection. And parallel to this, right? This is line 2, right? And line 1 and line 2 are parallel. Line 1 is parallel to line 2. Therefore, M1 is equal to M2, right? So it becomes
3 upon 7.
m1 is 3/7. So m2 is equal to 3/7. So equation of this line L2 is equation of line L2 is y minus 0 is equal to 3/7 bracket x minus 2. So it is 7y is equal to 3x minus 6. So you can write 3x minus 7y is equal to 6. So what is it?
3x minus 7y minus 6 is equal
So
to
we
summation
can,
of
or we can write 3x minus 7y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line L2. Equation of line L2 is 3x minus 7y is equal to 6, or 3x minus 7y minus 6 is equal to 0. Get it? This was question number 16. Okay.